something else.
Like what?
Like it's not stable.
Which one? Which variable is not stable?
And another one
Uh-huh.
is not that stable. It's
It fluctuates a little bit, right?
yeah, it's 15, sometimes 14, 13, 16, 17,
Okay,
18.
yeah. That's why you can use the equal to.
No, the equal just it'll be all twitchy. It'll move some other place. It won't be that stable.
Pretty cool project. Well, this is how works. Scratch works with Arduino. So you can have the script right there, made on Scratch, and also you can control an Arduino board. It's pretty cool. So kids can have fun with this.
I thought this wasn't gonna work, and it actually did.
But did, see?
Because it's greater than less than 550, and other one has to be greater than 500.
That's pretty
And
cool.
it made that.